Welcome to today's video. We are going to walk you through how to add background image in VS Code. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more easy tutorial. First, open your VS Code and go to the extension option is on your left side corner. Click on that and search for background extension and install that one. Once installation done, go to the search bar, type the greater icon and search background configuration and select that one, and you can see option called editor. Select that one, and you can find the option called file. Select that one as well. There will be two options: add a file, add a folder. We're going to add a file, so I'm selecting the add file option, and I'm going for my download option and select image from there. Once it's uploaded, it will ask confirmation to adjust according to your Visual Studio size, and click the install and reload, and it will open your VS Code, and you can see the background image you have added. And this is how we add background image in VS Code, and we are ending our video from here. If you enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe for my channel and leave a thumbs up.